Hello everybody. On this video, I will show you how to repair corrupted system files manually either from backup files or from USB, in order to fix boot loop or startup failure. There are many tools that can be used to automatically fix the startup or boot failure, such as Deployment Image Servicing and Management Tool or System File Checker Tool, but they fail to repair corrupted system in some situations. So, this video will help you to repair the corrupted system files if the DISM or SFC tools fail with one of the following error messages. Windows Resource Protection could not perform the requested operation. Or, Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files but was unable to fix some of them. Or, the source files could not be found. Or, unable to access the image. I will show you how to replace the missing or corrupted files in Windows 10, however, this method is applicable to Windows 8, Windows Vista or Windows 7. Steps. Boot your computer into Advanced Recovery Options. Watch the video from description to know how to do that. If you know the name and the location of the corrupted file, skip to Step 8. Click on Startup Repair option to help you know the name and location of the corrupted file. Memorize the letter of your Windows partition to use it in place of D in my commands. If the Startup Repair tool fails to show you the details of the corrupted file, execute this command, then open the SFC log file. Open SFC log file using this command. Determine the corrupted file that detected by the tool from the last check according to checking date and time. Also, you can open SRTTRAIL log file to determine the corrupted or missed file using this command. In my case, the corrupted file is hal.dll. Search for the corrupted file inside Windows folder using this command. In my case, there is a backup file inside WinSxS folder which is approximately close in size to the corrupted file. Take administrative ownership and full access of the corrupted file using these commands. If the file is missing, the previous two commands are not required. Now, I will replace the corrupted file using these commands. If there are many files available, copy the one with similar or close size to the corrupted file. If there are many files with different sizes, copy the one that has close size and version to the corrupted file. Compare it with the version of your Windows from the first line of CMD. If you are trying to replace a missing file, add its name and path so we will help you to choose the suitable replacement file. If there is no backup for the corrupted file in your computer, use a Windows installation media like USB drive to replace it as followings. Connect a bootable USB to your computer. See how to create a bootable USB from the video in description. Take administrative ownership and full access of the corrupted file using these commands. Execute these commands to show the letters of all volumes. DISKPART List vol. In my case, the H is the letter of the USB drive. Type exit and press enter to close DISKPART. Create new folder using this command. mdd:\mount. Mount the first index of the Windows installation using this command. Replace the H with the letter of the USB or DVD drive in your computer. Rename the corrupted file using this command. Copy the required file from mounted folder using this command. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, leave a comment and subscribe.